slopes and deflections by double integration method. It is also called Macaulay's method, actually, Macaulay. Okay. So the basic idea behind this is actually, from theory of simple bending, M by I equal to F by Y equal to E by R, right? M by I equal to F by Y equal to E by R. Here, if you combine this first and last, M by I equal to E by R. You know what is M, what is I, E and R. M is bending moment, I is moment of inertia of the cross section, E Young's modulus of the material property, or radius of curvature. Okay, you can rewrite like this also. M by EI equal to 1 by R. Basically, R is radius of curvature, 1 by R is curvature. So 1 by R is nothing but curvature. Curvature you can specify with this also, d square y by dx square, where y is deflection of elastic curve. Okay, deflection, y is deflection. Of course, dy by dx is slope. So just if you put this 1 by R in M by EI equation, M by EI will be equal to curvature, that is d square y by dx square. So this is the differential equation. Differential equation. By solving this, we can get, of course, by solving as well as by solving this and by applying boundary conditions. Boundary conditions, we can get slope and deflection at any point of the beam. Okay, this is the logic here. So for double integration method, the basic formula, basic differential equation is d square y by dx square equal to M by EI. That means, suppose if you take a structure of cantilever and suppose this is the x direction, suppose deflection, this is y direction, the deflection curve may be like this. Deflection curve may be like this. Okay, suppose let us assume this is the origin. This point represents x comma y. So x is horizontal distance, y is vertical difference. Okay, so this is x and y. X is horizontal distance from the origin and y is the deflection. Let us start with a simple example of cantilever itself. Okay, suppose this is cantilever of length L, flexural rigidity A, carrying point load P. Okay, now let us assume a cross section x from free end. Okay, now the bending moment is bending moment at x, M equal to P into x. Okay, here to have proper sign convention, actually let us define our sign conventions. See, if you take this, the deflection curve, if you see here, it is a hogging natured thing. Cantilever is hogging natured thing. So sagging is different, hogging is different. For hogging, bending moment will be negative actually. Actually, here if you see in next slide, bending moment is actually minus px. Right clockwise is minus px. Okay, bending moment is minus px. If bending moment is negative, then curvature will be hogging. Okay. If bending moment is positive, curvature will be positive. So just m is here minus px. Now we can apply our equation d square y by dx square equal to m by ei. Okay, this is our basic differential equation. That is d square y by dx square equal to m is minus px by a. So double integration means just we need to integrate the 2 times. So first time integration, d square y by dx square becomes dy by dx equal to minus px by ei plus integration constant c1. And once again, if you integrate y equal to minus p x square by 2 ei plus c1x plus c2. Okay. So this is the procedure for solving of differential equation. Just we need to integrate 2 times. So after integrating 2 times, we need to apply proper boundary conditions. So for this, at fixed end, deflection is 0 and slope also 0. Okay. So if you apply
Sir, first integration లో x square by 2 కదా sir?
Sorry. That I will correct. Minus p x square by 2ei minus p x cube by 6ei. Okay. So by applying this, okay, let us assume it is 1, it is 2 equations. Okay. In one equation, if you substitute dy by dx is equal to 0, 0 is minus, at fixed end means here, I'll put in bracket here. Fixed end means x equal to how much? L. X equal to L means you will get fixed end. So at x equal to L, y equal to 0, dy by dx equal to 0. So just we need to substitute here in place of x, put L. That means 0 equal to minus p into x square means L square by 2 ei plus c1. Okay. Therefore, c1 equal to pl square by 2 ei. Okay. Then one more boundary condition, that is y equal to 0. That is 0 equal to minus pl cube by 6ei plus c1x. That means c1 already we know. Pl square by 2ei into x means L plus c2. So c2 equal to pl cube by 6ei minus pl cube by 2ei, which is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 2. LCM is 6. 1 minus 3, 2 by 6, that is minus pl cube by 3ei. Okay. So now put in these equations. So y equal to minus px cube by 6ei plus c1x. That means plus pl square by 2ei into x minus pl cube by 3a. Just
PL cube by 6 కదా sir.
C2. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 2. 6 is LCM. 1 minus 3. 2 by 6. So 1 by 3.
Okay sir, 1 by 3.
Okay. So y is this much. Now y, just we have substituted those c1, c2 values in equation 2, and of course in equation 1 also we can substitute dy by dx equal to minus px square by 2 ei plus c1 means plus pl square by 2 ei. So of course, sign convention here, see deflection curve. I will draw once again the deflection curve here. So we'll set that, sign convention here for deflection and slope. So if x equal to L, if x equal to L, what happens? Or x equal to 0, what happens? At x equal to 0, y will be minus PL cube by 3a. dy by dx will be, x is 0 means PL square by 2a. So according to our this one, we can set our sign convention also. That means here we are getting y value minus. That means the minus indicates y means here. Y negative means downward. Okay, because we are getting downward deflection like this y. So that's why downward negative. That means upward positive. So that is the sign convention. Positive you get, that means it is upward. Similarly, slope is dy by dx. Dy by dx, you are getting clockwise slope at here at the end. We are getting clockwise slope like this theta. Okay, clockwise slope we are getting positive itself. So positive dy by dx means clockwise. Negative dy by dx means anti-clockwise. Okay. So this sign convention you can follow. Okay, next case, next problem. Let us take a cantilever with the UDL. L and EA. W kilonewton per meter. Okay. This one. Now same. Take a section here at x distance from right end. Now write differential equation d square y by dx square equal to d square y by dx square equal to m by EA. That is, m is here w x square by 2 by EA. So integration dy by dx equal to w x cube by 6 EA plus C1. So y equal to w x power 4 by
minus.
Yeah, of course, minus you can put. Okay, minus 24 EA plus C1x plus C2. Okay, boundary conditions at x equal to 0. Sorry, at x equal to L. At x equal to L, y equal to 0 as well as dy by dx equal to 0. Substitute here. So first minus w L cube by 6CA plus C1 equal to 0. So from this C1 equal to WL cube by 6CA. Next, minus WL power 4 by 24 EI plus C1x means plus WL cube by 6EI into x means here L plus C2. So C2 equal to WL power 4 by 24 EI minus WL power 4 by 6EI. That is 24 is LCM. 1 minus 4, 3. 3 by 24. Minus 3 by 24, 1 by 8. So minus WL power 4 by 8 EA. C2. So our slope and deflection equations are like this. Slope dy by dx equal to minus minus W x power 4 by 6 EA plus C1 plus WL cube by 6 EA. Y equal to minus W, x cube, that one. This one is x cube. W x cube by 6a plus WL cube by 6a. Then y is minus w x power 4 by 24 ei plus c1x means plus wl cube by 6ei into x plus c2. That means minus wl power 4 by 8ei. So special case, at x equal to 0, dy by dx equal to, that is slope equal to x. If you put 0 here in x place, it is w L cube by 6ei. Positive you are getting, that means clockwise. Similarly, y equal to minus wl power 4 by 8ei. So downward deflection we are getting, okay, at the free end. Okay. Let's suppose if we have 2-point loads on a cantilever beam, how to handle that we'll see. $20 kilonewtons, 30 kilonewtons, 3 meter, 2 meter. Okay. A, B, C. Now, for BC section, if you take x distance, m you can write. Similarly, in AB section, if you take x from free end, for that also you can write expressions. Okay. That means for BC portion, bending moment m equal to simply minus 20x. That's all. But for AB portion, m equal to minus 20x minus 30 into x minus 2. So these are the bending moment expressions. Okay. M equal to. For BC portion, bending moment expression is different. AB portion, bending moment expression is different. If you observe here in both sections, 20x is common. This minus 20x is common. That's why we can write this one d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square equal to, so for BC section it is minus 20x minus 30 into x minus 2. So we need to write this one like this. Okay, by putting a vertical line here, so up to vertical line means only BC section. What after vertical line also, if you consider minus 20x minus 30 into x minus 2, that will be for AB section. Okay. Next, now we will integrate this. Dy by dx equal to minus 10x square plus c1 vertical line minus 30. You should not integrate this individually, like x integration x square by 2, 2 integration 2x. You should not do that integration individually. As a parenthesis, you need to integrate it. That means x minus 2 whole square by 2. So why we should do that one like this means, suppose at x equal to 2, what happens? At x equal to 2 means just right to just left. That means right side also x equal to 2, right side of B, left side of B also x equal to 2. Just right to just right left, slope must be same, slope continuity. Okay. At B point, just right of the B as well as at just left of the B, slope must be same. Suppose if you substitute here for BC section up to vertical line only, that means minus 10x square plus c1. Suppose if you substitute, if you go for AB section x equal to 2, then if you put here x equal to 2, 2 minus 2 becomes 0, then also dy by dx will be same. That means slope for left side of B and right side of B must be same. There is a logic here for integration of this x minus 2 as a whole, okay, as a parenthesis. Okay. Similarly, once again if you integrate, y equal to minus 10x cube by 3 plus c1x plus C2 vertical line. This one minus 30 into x minus 2 whole cube by 6. Okay. So we have still here two integration constants. Okay. So now at x equal to 5 meters, dy by dx 0, y also 0. 5 meters means both sections should be considered. Okay, up to last. Okay, that means first 0 equal to minus 10x square, 10 into 5 square plus C1 minus 30 by 2 into 5 minus 2 whole square. That means here 0 equal to 5 square 25, that means minus 250 plus C1 minus 215s, 5 minus 2 3 square 9, 59 is 135. So from this C1 equal to 250 plus 135, that equal to 385. Okay. Of course, by EI, I am not putting here by EI, I will put it. Okay. Otherwise, take that EI this side. EI. Okay. This also EI into Y. Okay. So now, similarly, at x equal to 5, Y also 0, right? So 0 equal to minus 10 by 3 x cube, 5 cube plus C1x. C1 already we know 385. 385 into x means 5 plus C2 minus 30 into 5 minus 2 whole cube by 6. So how much C2? Just calculate and tell. Six fives are here 3 cube 27 into 5 and 385 into 5
minus 1373.33.
minus 1373.33. Okay, C2. So now dy by dx equal to, final equations are dy by dx equal to 1 by EI into minus 10x square plus C1 means 385 vertical line, and 30 by 2 means 15 minus 15 x minus 2 whole square. Okay, and y equal to 1 by EI into minus 10x cube by 3 plus C1x, that is 385x plus C2, that is minus 1373.33 vertical line, minus 30 by 6, 5. Okay, x minus 2 whole cube. So these are the equations. Suppose at C means x equal to 0, dy by dx equal to so C means BC section, that means up to vertical line only. Dy by dx equal to 385, 10 into 0 square, that is plus 385 by EA. Similarly, y equal to, putting x equal to 0, minus 1373.33 by EA at C. Similarly, at any point, anything you can find. Okay, anything means slope or deflection. Next, let us take simply supported beam. Point load, central point load, B, L by 2, L by 2. Okay. Now, suppose section is here, like this, X. And for ABC, if you consider this ABC, ABC, To cover BC, X is in between of BC, and to cover this one, AC region, let us assume X here, okay? Like this, two sections, okay? Now, our basic equation is, that is d square y by dx square equal to dx square equal to m by 1 by a times of m is here. Reactions are p by 2. So p by 2 into x is the bending moment, positive. P by 2x. Then vertical line. Then next section means p by 2 into x minus p into x minus L by 2. P into x minus L by 2, right? Y minus means right side anti-clockwise. Now integrate. So dy by dx equal to 1 by ei px square by 4 vertical line, plus c1 integration constant put before this line itself, plus c1 minus p into x
సార్
minus
మధ్యలో
L
ఆ
by
లైన్ ఎందుకు పెడుతున్నావు?
hmm?
మధ్యలో ఆ లైన్ ఎందుకు పెడుతున్నారు?
So now once again we can integrate. Y equal to 1 by ei px cube by 12 plus c1x plus c2 minus x p into x minus L by 2 whole cube by 6. Okay. Now boundary conditions are very important here. You know, at x equal to 0, y is 0. That is one condition. Another condition is at x equal to L, y equal to 0. So we have boundary conditions here only on deflection, not on slope. Okay. So no problem. You can have these two equations on deflection itself. Y equal to 0 equal to, of course, 1 by ei into p into 0 cube by 12 plus c1 into 0 plus c2, because at up to vertical line only x equal to 0 means, okay. So from this c2 equal to 0. Then second equation at x equal to L, y what happens? Again 0 equal to 1 by ei p into L cube by 12 plus c1 into L, anyway c2 0 plus 0. We need to consider next also, this one, I mean after vertical line also we need to consider, because it is in AC zone, okay. So minus p into L minus L by 2 whole cube by 6, that equal to PL cube by 12 plus C1L minus here L minus L by 2 whole cube means PL cube by 8 into 648 equal to 0. So C1 equal to 1 by 12 minus, I mean 1 by 48 minus 1 by 12, that is minus PL square by 16, right? Check it. 12 means 4. 4 minus 12, 16. 16. C1 minus only. Okay. Now our equations are like this. dy by dx equal to 1 by ei into p x square by 4 plus c1. That means minus pl square by 16. Vertical line minus p into x minus L by 2 whole square by 2. Okay, like this. And y equal to 1 by ei px cube by 12 plus c1x. That means minus pl square by 16x plus c2 0 vertical line minus p into x minus L by 2 whole cube by 6. Okay. So like this slope and deflection. Now suppose at C, if you want to find slope and deflection, you can find. Okay. At C, x is L by 2. You can check it. Okay. It will be 0. Okay. And suppose at x equal to 0, suppose dy by dx if you want to find. Okay. At x equal to 0. Okay. So up to x equal to 0 means up to vertical line only. Okay. 1 by EI into 0 minus PL square by 16. Okay. Which is equal to minus PL square by 16A. Okay. At x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means deflection curve you see here. The slope is at x equal to 0 means at B, right? This one. Anti-clockwise theta. So negative means here anti-clockwise. Similarly, at x equal to 0, at x equal to 0, y equal to how much? Y equation we have here. Of course, 0. X if you put 0, 0. Otherwise, other parameter we will find. At x equal to L by 2. Y how much? L by 2. L by 2 means up to vertical line also you can take, otherwise total also you can take, not a problem. So 1 by EI into P L cube by 12 into 8, 96 minus P XL by 2 means PL cube by 32, which is equal to 192 is LCM, 2 minus 3, 1, 2 minus 3, 1 by, 96 is LCM. 96 LCM means 1 minus 3, 2 by 96. 2 by 96 means 1 by 48. That is minus PL cube by 48 EA. Okay. Minus it gets downward. Okay. So like this, you can find slopes and deflections. Simply supported beam with the UDL. W kilonewton per meter. L and EA. AB. So take X distance from right hand and support reactions are WL by 2 and WL by 2. D square y by dx square equal to M is here WL by 2x minus WX square by 2 by A, which is equal to, okay, that is, then integrating once dy by dx equal to 1 by EA into WL x square by 4 minus W x cube by 6 plus C1. Similarly, y equal to 1 by EA into, once again integrating WL x cube by 12 minus W x power 4 by 24 plus C1x plus C2. Now, at x equal to 0, y is 0. So, 0 equal to x 0 means 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus C2. So, C2 is 0. At x equal to L, again y is 0. That is 0 equal to 1 by EI WL power 4 by 12 minus WL power 4 by 24 plus C1 into L. Okay, so C1 equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 24 is 1 by 24, right? Okay, minus okay, minus WL cube by 24. Okay, now slopes and deflections equations. Dy by dx equal to 1 by a into wl x square by 4 minus wx cube by 6 plus c1, that is minus wl cube by 24, and y equal to 1 by a into wl x cube by 12 minus w x power 4 by 24 plus c1 x 7x minus wl cube by 24x plus c2 0. Okay, these are the equations. Now for our this one cross check, at x equal to 0 dy by dx equal to, substituting, minus w l cube by 24a. At x equal to l by 2, check it, y 1 by a into w l power 4 by, see x cube means l by 2 cube, 8 into 12 96 minus wl power 4 by here l by 2 to the power of 4 means 16 will come in the denominator. 16 into 24 240 and 24 6 144 240 144 388, right? 384 240 144 384 and minus w l power 4 by, here x is means l by 2, 2 means 24 into 2 48, which is equal to how much? 1 by 96 384 48. That means 384 is LCM, 4 times minus 1 4 minus 1 minus 8 times, so minus 5 by 384 wl power 4 by a, which is correct only. Suppose if you have fixed beam like this, UDL W kilonewton per meter. You know fixed reactions we know for this. L 8 reactions are WL by 2, WL by 2. Fixed moments also we know WL square by 12, anti-clockwise, clockwise, WL square by 12. These are the, this analysis we know already. Okay. So for this, how to find slopes and deflections? Okay. So at x distance, you can write m expression. Okay, m equal to bending moment equal to wl by 2x minus w x square by 2, and right clockwise minus wl square by 12. This is the m. So now same, d square y by dx square equal to m by a, that is 1 by ei into w lx by 2 minus wx square by 2 minus wl by 12. So dy by dx equal to integration 1 by ei wl x square by 4 minus w x cube by 6 minus w l by 12 x plus c1.
So WL square by 12.
Sir, L square by 2.
W l square by 12. Okay. Then y equal to 1 by ei w l x cube by 12 minus w x power 4 by 24 minus w l square x square by 24 plus c1x plus c2. Okay, at x equal to 0, at x equal to 0, slope also 0, deflection also 0, y is 0, dy by dx also 0. Okay, substituting here, first one c1 will be 0 and c2 also will be 0. So then dy by dx equal to 1 by ei wl x square by 4 minus w x cube by 6 minus w l square x by 12 and y equal to 1 by EI WL x cube by 12 minus W x power 4 by 24 minus WL square x square by 24. That's all. Okay, because C1 0. Okay. Now suppose at center at x equal to L by 2, y is how much? Deflection is how much? So y equal to 1 by EI WL power 4. See here, L by 2 whole cube means 8 into 12, that is 96, minus WL power 4 by L by 2 to the power of 4 means 16, 24 into 16, 240, and 24 into 6, 144, okay, 384, minus WL power 4 by here x by 2, L by 2 whole square, 4, 24 into 4, 96, which is equal to, this 96 gets cancelled, so minus WL power 4 by 384 EA. That means finally you can conclude one thing. If it is simply supported beam, the deflection would be, that means y of fixed beam equal to 1/5 of y of simply supported beam, right? 5 is not there here, right? That's all. Okay, for the fixed beam. Okay, for fixed beam, deflection is 1 by 384 and something that one WL4 by VA. For simply supported beam, 5 by 384. So simply supported beam, I will superimpose this one, deflections. So for this, deflection is like this. For simply supported beam means it will be like this. So for simply supported beam, the deflection is this much. For fixed beam, deflection is only this much. Okay.
సార్ ఫ్రేమ్స్ కూడా చేయొచ్చా సార్ ఈ మెథడ్?
చేయొచ్చు, no problem. Find slope at B in degrees. Find deflection at C in millimeters. Third point, find slope at B in radians. Find deflection at 3 meter from B in millimeters. Find deflection under the load in millimeters. Find slope at C in radians. Find deflection at C in millimeters. A equal to 8,000 kilonewton meter square. 8. Find maximum deflection. Maximum deflection means where the slope is 0. That means 0 means changing from negative to positive. That is divided by x is 0. Okay, next. Find the slope at A in radians. Find the deflection at C in millimeters.